Right, ladies and gentlemen, we are still on the chapter 4, grade 11 perspective drawing of engineering graphics and design. Chapter 4, grade 11 engineering graphics and design. Engineering graphics and design, chapter 4, under the topic of perspective drawing. You understand? Okay, let us look at what do we have here. So this is task 9. So we've just finished task 8. Remember, like as I've just said, that our aim is to upload all of them. You understand? Okay, what do we have here? We are having a front view and the top view. So this one looks like a church. You understand? So the question says, use the information given on the worksheet and make a neat 2-point perspective of a perspective drawing of the dwelling. So the very first thing that we are going to do, let's get our 2 vanishing points. You understand? So how do we get that? Having aligned your drawing sheet, so you are going to have, you'll have to figure the angles, this angle and this one, isn't it? So okay, is this one, which it means is angle 30 degrees clockwise direction. So you are going to project a line from stationary point to picture plane. You understand? So once it touches the picture plane, here is gonna go vertically down like this, so that this one's giving you what vanishing point of your left hand side. You understand? So this side, you're gonna twist the ruler like this one from your stationary point, go up, so that once it touch picture plane, is giving you what vanishing point of your right hand side. Vanishing point of your right hand side. Okay, so now this is the ground point, isn't it? So we are going to project or have a point from here to vanishing point of your right, and from here to vanishing point of your left, using your 30mm ruler. Like this we go. In this topic, we do not record dimension, isn't it? But we project lines and points, and like this we go. Like this we go. Then that point is what is center vision point. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are going to project lines from a top view, directing them to stationary points once they touch picture plane line of yours, because this is picture plane line, isn't it? This is horizontal level line, then this is ground line, or GP, which stands for ground plane. You understand? So they will become vertically down, but whatever point that we are going to take from our front view, taking them horizontally, once they touch the line of CVSP, they will go to vanishing point of your right, vanishing point of your left. You understand? So let us go. Let's start with what we are going to start with this point, because this one is already there, isn't it? There it goes. Let's follow it by that one. No, remember, it's supposed to be SP, this one. There it is. I hope you can see my faint line. From there, I'm gonna go vertically down. So which means from here till there is going to have, I am going to have this one solid. You understand? Do you see now that from here till there is good as if I must come from here till there? So you are going to take this point to vanishing point of your right and further extend it up front. Like this we go. You understand? So now take this one to stationary point. There you go. Then once it touch picture plane, it will go vertically down. You understand? So if you are moving from there till there, it's good as if moving from there till here. You understand? So now you can have this one solid. So that now from here to vanishing point of your left hand side. Hey one. So take that one to stationary point so that you're gonna get it somewhere there. There you go. From a picture plane becomes vertically down. So from here till there. You understand? So now you can take this one to vanishing point of your right hand side. Is actually talking about the back view of your house, of your church. I don't know whether is it church or something. Okay, now let's come, because we have this one, which is this one, we have that one, which is this one, we have that one, which is this one, we have this one, which is that one. So let's have that one directed to stationary point. There you go. From here go vertically down. So which means from here till there I can have this line solid. You understand? So now let's get the height of the bigger of the church, because this one maybe it can be the side room. You understand? So let's have the height, this one, of the walls. From here it's going from the side, from once it touch the line of SPCV, it's gonna go vanishing point of your right hand side, vanishing point of your left hand side, like this we go. You understand? Then there you go. So which means without fear or favor I can have this one solid. You understand? And because this point, this corner is good as if is this one there by your front view. This corner is that one. Remember that this is a view, it has been viewed orthographically. You are not going to see this one is a little bit back. You understand? So this corner is this one. So this one we are going to get it from here till there. Get it? There you go. So we cannot draw this, have it dark, since we do not have a solid line from here till here. You understand? So we cannot do that. We cannot do that. So now let's get this. We have to get it somewhere there, isn't it? Somewhere there. Okay, so let's get this height. There it goes. From here it goes to vanishing point of your left hand side. And vanishing point of your right hand side. Right. So then there it goes, which is this line. So then what is happening? So we are going to get, let's get this second one. There it goes. From here goes to vanishing point of your left hand side and vanishing point of your right hand side. And let's get that, the very high point, which is the last point, From there goes to your vanishing point of your left hand side and vanishing point of your right hand side. Right, so we are going to get to this point, whether here or there. So let's take that very a high point, peak point, to our stationary point. Once it touch your picture plane, which is there, isn't it, that one? So we're gonna go vertically down. So which means it's supposed to be that point. You understand? For now, get it like this, because we don't know, you haven't got a clear understanding on what is happening. Okay, so which is this one? There it goes, isn't it? Okay, all right. So now let's see, where are we going? Now let's take this point, this one and that one. Those hidden details, they are actually talking about that door. You understand? These ones, which you're supposed to get a door somewhere there, and then these are windows, which is, if they were not windows, they were going to be till here. You understand? There by your front view. So if they are like this, they symbolize to you ukuthi they are windows. 1, 2, the windows. We are supposed to be getting them here. Then this molanyana, we're supposed to be getting it here. You are you following? So then now let's see, where are we? So we are trying to solve this one. So take this point and this one and that one to stationary point. There it goes. From here goes vertically down. Is which one? Is this one. So supposed to be collide with this one, isn't it? There it goes from here, which means there is that point that I am looking for. So which means I can have this point from here till there. So this one is this one, from here till there, from here till there. You understand? So let's take this, the following one, take it to once it gets there, let me see, be accurate. There is your SP, isn't it? Okay, it's accurate. Then from there you go vertically down, which is this one. So which means I'll have a point there, so that I can join this one and that one. So this line from here till there is this one, from here till there. So take this point to your vanishing point of your left hand side, and that one. Okay, so we are, which is there. Then from here to, not this one but that one, is the height now going up, and again from here till there is the height, which means from there till there is solid, from here till there solid, which means which is that one, from here till there. You understand? From here till there, from there till there is this one, from here till there, from there till there. You understand? So which means you can have this one solid and solid. Remember, it's not dark from here till there, since you can see what is not dark from here till there. But now from here till there, I can have it solid, which is this one. You understand? Have it solid, like this. Then from there, take this point and this one to vanishing point of your left hand side. Like this we go. Like this we go. Then from there, what is happening? What is happening? So we are going to take this point. This one to that one. If remember how remember this one, we got it first, isn't it? This one, which is that one, isn't it? And you see what is happening in your what, in your top view. So which means without fear or favor, we will know what this one must come there, this one must come here. You understand? So now take that point, this one. There you go. Once you touch your picture plane line, gonna go vertically down. Get it nicely. Which means from here till there, so that from there till there, you understand? There you go. Here you go. From there till there, solid. And solid. Hey one. Okay, so now let's see. We have to get that point so that we continue with the loop. You understand? Because this loop of ours, it's actually something of this nature. You have to complete your you have to complete your what? Your front view, so that you get that point. You understand? Because this point is actually telling you that one. So actually the examiner or the author of this textbook was supposed to put hidden details for you. You understand? Hidden details, so that you have a clear understanding. Oguti, at the back of what you see here, there is a point there, because this point is slightly bit down, to what, to this I don't know what I can call it. Okay, so now from here till there, without fear or favor, we can have it solid here, and from here till there, solid. You understand? So it's good as if it's now your loop is already your loop there. If you can a little bit extend this line from your top view like this, like this, to get to this point. This point you are going to get it somewhere there. You understand? We can do it even like that, still one and the same thing. There you go. You take this point, so that you're gonna you're gonna get this point somewhere there. You take this point to stationary point. Once it touches there, becomes vertically down. You come back to your front view, take the height. There you go. From here, go to your vanishing point of your right hand side. There you go. So which means indeed this was going to be and you see what I just did here. If I'm moving from here till there on my front view, there in my solution, it's good as if moving from here till there. If I want to move from here till there, it's good as if moving from here till there. Remember, this line is which one? This line. trace it. You see that you are still at the right track. Yeah? You understand? I hope you are understanding. Because how did we got to this point? We got to this point using this height. Hence, as I was saying, that the examiner was supposed to at least put what hidden details there. You understand? So nevertheless, we've managed to solve it. So you are going to further extend this line just a little bit. You see, till that point. So this point is the same point. You are going to take it to what? To your vanishing point of your left hand side. Like this we go. So that then we can join this point with what we just did here. You understand? So you must be very, very, very accurate. This is the line that we are dealing with. There it goes. Remember, we took this point, which means there is this point that we are looking for. So there by your top view, you move from here till there, isn't it? So it means we can also move solid from here without fear or favor till there. But it is not stopping there, it's continuing till there, isn't it? So you can, without fear or favor, take that point, direct it to your stationary point. That's your loop. There you go. So it's in the same line with this one, or something very close. Let me see. Too close. So which means is right there. So which means I can have this one solid from here to there. Okay. Right. Okay, so now remember we do not have anything going on here. So we can come back to what, to your front view, take the second height, which is the of the smaller room. There you go. Once it touch there, it's gonna go. Once it touch your line of CVSP, it's gonna go to vanishing point of your left hand side. Like this. Once it touch there by your corner, which is this one, isn't it? You take it to vanishing point of your right hand side, but you must further extend it up until it touch this corner, because this corner is this one, isn't it? There you go, like this. There you go. So the height of this house that we are looking for is this one. So without fear or favor, we can have this one constructed like this now. Dark like this, and take this point is already there. You can complete it solid like this and solid like this. Simple, eh? So the moment you are joining this point and this one, you are now talking about the what? This from there till there by your front view, eh? This one from there till there. You understand? Then now, since we have gotten this point, so which means we can join this point with this one with that one. Then we are done with our loaf. We are done with our loaf. So that's how you go about it. So the challenging part here, it was how to draw this. So we had to take a very close look on how our front view is drawn. You understand? We do not have anything here, we do not have anything there, which means indeed this, and corresponding it with what? With your top view. So this is not in the little bit center, it's actually right from the what? From this wall. You understand? So now let's put the what? Let's put the doors and the windows. So we are going to start with this door, which is supposed to be somewhere there. So let's get the height of the door first. There it goes. Once it touches the line of CVSP, it's gonna go vanishing point of your left hand side, even though it's not giving you anything. Let's see. There it goes. Then from there you take it to vanishing point of your right hand side. There it goes. Okay, so now there by our top view, we are going, these are the points that we are going to take, this one and that one. And by look of things, this one seems to be in the same line. Yeah, there it is, which means the height is there it goes. Trace it without fear or favor. I can say now I'm having what, this line already. You understand? So take this second point of the door, direct it to stationary point like this. There it goes. Once it touches there, it goes vertically down. So you are going to have this line dark till there. You understand? Even this one till there. Why? Because you know Mosukuti is starting right from the ground, from the bottom line of our house. So now have this one solid. So there is your door. Let's show the thickness of the door by taking that point, this one, to stationary point. Like this we go. So there you take it vertically down. So it's this one, eh? So we are going to take this point to vanishing point of our left hand side. There you go. So that from here till there solid, eh? Then from there till there solid. So there is the thickness of the wall. You understand? So take this one to vanishing point of your right hand side, so that it's going to be further extended up front, solid till somewhere there. So that is dark from here till there. You understand? So this is the thickness of the wall, this one. So there is already inside of your room, of your church actually. Let me see this one. Take this one, vanishing point of, so which means it's going to be dark from here till there. It's the inner wall. You understand that one? Because from here till there it was going to appear as hidden, but the question didn't say expose the hidden dimension. You understand? So we are done with this door. So let's get these two windows. We're supposed to get them here, which is 1, 2, which is that one, isn't supposed to get them here. Firstly, take their height from your front view. Take this one. There it goes. Once it touch the line of CVSP, it's gonna go vertically down. A vanishing point of your left hand side. Just mark it like this, and there you go. So vanishing point of your right hand side is not giving you anything. Even if you leave it, you can leave it, it's still on the same thing. It's not giving you. There is no any window there. There you go. There we go. So what is important is the vanishing of your left hand side. Like this we go. Like this we go. So they're supposed to be in this line, not this one. Remember, there it goes, it's that one. So take this point and that one. Once it touch picture plane, becomes vertically down. Like this we go. So from here till there solid. You understand? from here till there. So take the second one, which is that one. From there down, so from here till there, solid. So now you know ukuthi then it's gonna close like this and like this. So we've gotten our first window. Let us forget about the thickness for now, because there are two. Attempt this one, take this point, this one and that one, direct them to SP, stationary point. There you go, which is this one. Then from there, solid from here till there. Yeah, you want. Then take the second one, which is the last one. There you go. From there, vertically down. Then from here till there, solid. You understand? So that from here till there, dark, and from here till there, dark. Okay, one. So let's express the thickness of the wall by taking this point and that one. There it goes, and like this we go. So it's this one and that one. You understand? So take it vertically. So on this one is already there, this one. So from here till there, solid. You understand? How about this one? You understand? So now, which means again from here till there, solid is already solid here. Yeah, so we are going to take this point, direct it to what? To our vanishing point of our left hand side, but you are still going to further extend it up until on the what? On the line of SPCV, because we are having another dark from here till there, another window there. You understand? So from here, have it solid already. Take this point to vanishing point of your right hand side. There it goes. It's already dark there, and so we've shown the thickness of the wall. So there is already inside. If there were tiles there, we're going to see the tiles there already. Even there is already inside of your church, if it's a church. But the correction didn't say this is a church. I'm just saying, you understand. So the very last window, which is this one, this one is going to be somewhere here, not there. If it was going to be here, these hidden details, they were going to be somewhere there. So since they are here, so which means supposed to be here. So firstly, take their height, which is this one. Okay, is this one. Okay, the bottom one. There it go. From there, there it go. The same line, isn't it? So take this one to vanishing point of your right hand side, so that you further extend it like this. So you must know the point that you are dealing with. There you go. So which means we must get this window of ours within this range. So take this point and that one, vanish, take it to SP. Let's just take them both once. There you go. So this one that we're going to take it down, and this one there, and from here till there, solid. And this one, solid, so that now you can come back here and have it dark like this, have it dark like this. That's the small window. Well, let's show the thickness of the wall as well, which we take that one. There you go. From there you go vertically down, which is already we have this. So from here till there is going to be dark, and from there till there dark. You understand? So you take this one to vanishing point of your right hand side, so that you draw this one dark from there to there. You understand? So it's done. Any question? Any question, let me down there on the comment. We are done. That was engineering, graphics and design, grade 11. Engineering, graphics and design, grade 11. So thank you very much. See you in the next video. Please don't forget to subscribe and like the channel, guys. Give it the thumbs up. See you on the next video. So this is the solution. Any question? It's done.